In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can use ChatGPT for email. We'll be going over how to use ChatGPT to draft emails, create email templates, summarise emails, write follow-ups, and much more. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. If you're struggling to write an email, maybe you're not sure how to structure it, or maybe you just haven't got time, you can use ChatGPT to create a draft for you, and then you can customise the output for your specific circumstances. For example, if I need to write a job application email, I could ask ChatGPT something along the lines of, write a job application email for the position of a marketing manager at ABC Corp. Introduce myself as John Doe, mention my qualifications in digital marketing and brand strategy, and express my interest in helping expand ABC Corp's online presence. Close with a request for an interview. In the matter of seconds, it has come back with a full email which states exactly what we asked for in the initial prompt. The only thing we need to do now is read through it and make any necessary changes and fill out the name, phone and email fields. Now another example, if we want to send someone an invitation email, write an email inviting Sarah Johnson to the Tech Innovators Conference 2025 hosted by XYZ Solutions, introduce myself as Emily Davis, provide event details, highlight networking opportunities and suggest RSVPing by May 10th, 2025. Again, it has now come back with a full email. Now this one, we need to change the dates in the email so it's more accurate and make sure the details are correct. Moving on, if you have to regularly send the same sort of email, perhaps to customers or colleagues, it can be helpful to have this templatized. So all you have to do is copy and paste the email and fill out the specific fields for the person you are sending the email to. For example, if I want an email template for the purpose of requesting feedback on a product or service I've offered to a customer, I can ask ChatGPT something like, write an email template requesting feedback from client name on service/product, ask them about their experience and if there's anything you can improve. Provide a simple way for them to submit their feedback, such as a survey link or reply to the email. It has now come back with this, a professional sounding email which will help persuade the person that it is being sent to provide feedback. All we have to do now is fill out the client name, service or product that was offered and our personal details. This can even be automated if we are using an email marketing software such as GetResponse. If we've not had a chance to read our email, or we just have a large number of them, we can use ChatGPT to summarise them so we can quickly extract the vital information from them without reading the whole email. I'm simply going to type, summarise the following email into bullet points, include any updates, decisions and tasks. Then I'm going to paste the email. It has now come up with 4 bullet points stating the main points of the email, then it has provided 2 action items which we need to complete. Another example, if you need to be briefed on multiple emails before a meeting but you haven't got much time, you could type something like, I have a meeting about this email thread, summarise the most important points and give me a quick overview I can refer to before the meeting. Now I'll paste the email thread. It has now come back with 3 different sections which are main agenda items, additions to agenda and updates from one of the senders. If you're waiting on a response from an email and need to send a follow-up email but not sure how to word it in a polite manner, you could ask ChatGPT something like, write a follow-up email to Alex Thompson about an email I sent on March 28 regarding the proposal for the Q2 marketing campaign. Ask if they have had a chance to review it. It has now come up with this short email which asks the recipient if they have had a chance to view your last email and politely requests for them to reach out if they have any questions. That's all we have for this video on how to use ChatGPT for email. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and we'll see you in the next video.